Well, let's take you to a story that really touches on the British Prime Minister, that is Theresa May, will make an ambitious three-nation visit to Africa this week. Her first arrival was actually in the South Africa, where it will be her first visit to Africa at a point where she's in the leadership. Well, among the issues that are likely to take center stage is improving post-Brexit trade ties. May was actually joined by several ministers and 29 business representatives from various industries, has already visited South Africa. She is expected in Kenya tomorrow, and later on she will be visiting Nigeria. Taniwe Yego has highlights of what can be expected of this trip.
Arriving in Kenya tomorrow, she will be the second British Prime Minister to visit the country since Margaret Thatcher in 1988. Theresa May is expected to meet with President Uhuru Kenyatta shortly after his return from his state visit to the United States in Washington and before he travels to China to meet President Xi Jinping. May's one-day visit will facilitate the UK's bid to strengthen and deepen its global partnerships as it prepares to leave the European Union in 2019. The Prime Minister's central message will be focused on a renewed partnership between the UK and Africa, already long-time allies. One of the key issues to be addressed in her agenda is security, and she is expected to discuss the role of British troops based in Kenya who are helping countries fight Al-Shabaab militants in Somalia. Also set to visit a business school in support of the next generation of energetic, ambitious young Kenyans. Tendiwe Yego for KTN Business.
Many thanks, Tendiwe. Of course, we'll be giving you the wall-to-wall coverage as she lands tomorrow till she meets up with President Uhuru Kenyatta in State House, and later on she'll be having a forum that she will be addressing the business community. You can catch this all here on KTN News.